Dinesh. Today going to discuss what is the basic difference between the cast and convert function. When we work in the SQL server, the both function normally we use to convert the value from one data type to the another data type. But somewhere we have some confusion about that. What both are functionality are the same, but what is the basic difference between them? So let's understand. Then the based on the few points. Like first we take the syntax. What is the syntax of the cast function? The cast function have the simple syntax. We have to put cast keyword, expression means values, and in which data type you want to convert this value, then put after as that data type. So and what is the uses of the cast function? It is a standard SQL function and it is a standard SQL function and can be used in the all the SQL database that is supported. Means standard SQL query support in multiple platforms where SQL queries are supported in the multiple platform where we can use the cast function. This is a standard function. Simple that. And flexibility, the cast is the simpler and the more strength forward, suitable for the most basic type of the conversion. It means it is simply convert the values to the another data type. There is no such extra things with that. So this is the basic example. There is a date. Date means it is a value as, and after what we want to convert to the value into the date format. This value it is in the string format. We put in the single quotes. So just it is when we execute this statement, you can see the value simply converted to the date format. It is a data type as a data type. This is a simple cast function, and let's see what is the with the same points we understand what is the convert function. So in the convert function, as you can see here, there is a simple syntax. We have to put convert keyword, then data type, in which data type you want to convert that value, then put that data type. Expression means value, you put your value, and third parameter is an optional parameter. You can after put the comma, you can optional parameter. Here is an example also, we will understand further. The first point, uses. What is the uses of convert function? It is specific to the SQL server, means it convert function only supported to the SQL server, not other platform where the SQL query are supported. It is supported only SQL server, and offer additional functionality with the optional style parameter. Third parameter is a style parameter, optional, which is specify format the date and time conversion. This is specified only for the date and time conversion. So with the example we will understand. And flexibility with convert provide the more control over the formatting, particularly for the date and time data type. It is simple that in the cast function there is no formatting. You just put the date, it is converted to the simple date format, standard date format, which is supported by the SQL server. But when we use to convert the simple date into the date format, so you can specify there the format values. This format value defined by the third parameter, style parameter. So there is a simple example. We have to put worker. We convert expression means value. We convert this value to this. What is this value? So you can see here. I just select this function. If I execute this function, this is simple, this value. This is a standard format which is supported by the SQL server. When we are going to execute simple get date function. So here is the date format, a specific date format, year, month and date, and time and milli time जो भी है. And then then it is when we use when we convert this date with the convert function, we also specify the style, 112 style. So if I select this, you can see it is convert the date into a specific format. If I not put the style parameter, so it is convert normal date, which is supported by the SQL server. Normal date function, month, date and year and time and with this is a standard date format by default date format. If you put some style like I put 101 style, so it is convert date according that style. So how can you see ki which style given the which result? So here is a simple, you can see the 111, if you put a style as a 101, then it gives the date in this format: month, date and year. Month, date and year. Today is the 27th. So if you put like 120, what it is value giving? See, this same value: year, month and date. You can see year, month and date and time. This is the time. If you put some other style, so it is give the value accordingly. 106. If you put 106, you can see the value 106, date, month and year. 106, date, month and year. So this is the basic difference between cast and the convert function in SQL Server. I hope you guys are understand. So thank you for watching this video.